morning everyone. Best wishes for all of you. Okay, well, to shorten the time, I will introduce myself. My name is Giranzur Ramanulang, NPM 19820086, class bilingual D. On this occasion, I will discuss about the title, namely Analysis of Human Development Index Indicator in Deli Serdang Regency and in North Sumatra. Background: Human Development Index Indicator, an important indicator in measuring the progress of human development is the Human Development Index or HDI. Various countries have adopted the concept of human development initiated by the United Nations Development Program or UNDP, and not a few have tried to implement IPM calculation in their countries. Indonesia takes part in implementing the concept of human development, which is considered more enjoyable than the conventional development concept. Indonesia first calculated the HDI in 1996, and the indicator that Indonesia used to calculate the HDI are life expectancy, literacy rates, average years of schooling, and per capita expenditure. However, along with the development of science and technology as well as development challenge, in 2010, UNDP officially introduced the calculation of HDI with a new method, text implementation method. How to estimate Human Development Index indicator data and make forecasts for the next few years. Development Index indicator consists of health level, education level, income level, which consists of three basic dimensions of knowledge and the design standard of living. For calculate the Human Development Index indicator are as follow. Health dimension: health together with AHA less AHA min shared AHA max less AHA min. Education dimension: HLS together with HLS less HLS min shared HLS max less HLS min. RLS together with RLS less RLS min shared RLS max less RLS min. Dimension contents: expenditure together with in or expenditure less in or min spend shared in or max spend less in or min spend. HDI: health time education time I contents square time 100. Human Development Index indicator projection in Deli Serdang Regency. From the table on the side, it is known that the average Human Development Index indicator in Deli Serdang Regency include the educational aspect, namely the average length of school, and the expected length of the schooling is projected to increase from 9,19 years in 2010 to 12,13 years in 2026, and the expectancy of length of schooling from 11,10 years in 2010 to 13,50 2026. Health aspect, namely health sector indicator, can be shown through life expectancy a birth. Based on the projected result, life expectancy tends increase from 2010 to 2026. The economic aspect in determining of Human Development Index is determined by the variable of adjusted per capita expenditure. Human Development Index indicator projection in Sumatera Utara province. From the table on the side is known that the average Human Development Index indicator in Sumatera Utara province include the education aspect, namely the average length of school, and the expected length of schooling is projected to increase from 8,31 2 years 2010 to 10,25 years in 2026. Health aspect, namely health sector indicator can be shown through life expectancy at the birth. The economic aspect determining in the Human Development Index is determined by the variable of adjusted per capita expenditure. The projection result shown a consistent increase from 2010 to 2026. Per capita expenditure is projected to be IDR 355 million in 2026. Conclusion. Based on the result of the analysis carried out in this study, it can be concluded the 10 dB HDI figure in the Serdang has reached the highest number in 2010 of 706. This shows the success of human development in general, not only economic development. The high level of the four constituent indicator, especially the life expectancy, which reaches the highest value in North Sumatra at 77.40 years, and the expected length of schooling at 11,10 years. The increase in HDI every year is the impact of the increasing components of HDI in target of human development have been developed by the Deli Serdang Regency Government and North Sumatra Utara Province. Recommendation: by doing an analysis of the development of the Human Development Index indicator macroeconomic projection of the Serdang Regency and North Sumatra Province in 2010 to 2026, taking into account the academic aspect, it is hoped the result of the study can be a reference for the local government of the Serdang Regency and North Sumatra Utara Province in developing the sector. Hopefully, the policy recommendation offered in this research can be a reference for the government in developing the economic of the Serdang Regency and North Sumatra Province. That's the result of my presentation. If there are mistakes and such I apologize. Thank you for attention, friend. Good morning.